Percentage, decimal, ratio. These topics look familiar, don't they? But there's something you don't really understand about these topics, and this is the reason why most students struggle with mathematics. Once you get the concept, you should know that these three topics revolves around fractions. That's basically what these three topics revolve around, fractions. So that means you have to know how to set up fractions for you not to struggle in maths, for you to be good at maths. Maths revolves around fractions. Learn how to set up fractions. For instance, let's take percentage for an instance. Percentage is something like 3%. It means 3 out of 100. So what's the fraction telling us? The fraction simply means 3 over what? 100. It's a fraction that we just set up. Okay, now let's go to decimal. Decimal, the same way, decimal 0.7 means 7 out of 10, which is what? 7 over 10. 0.07 means 7 out of 100, which is 7 over what? 100. All these three things, are they not fractions? So most students struggle because they don't really realize that you need to set up fractions for most topics. Ratio, let's say ratio of 3:4. This is a ratio. It also means fraction. This is the numerator and the denominator. That means it's 3 over what? 4. So that means you should really know how to set up fractions properly. Now, if you advance, you see that it's also fraction. Yet if you advance, you still get speed, distance, and time. This is also another way of setting up fractions. For instance, now speed is equal to distance divided by what? Time. And this is a fraction. You need a distance and you need a time. So majority of the things that you meet enables you to set up fraction. So fractions are very, very important. There are also some questions that you can also get that has fraction. For the questions that contains of too. Of. Questions where you apply of as multiplication. It's also a fraction question. For instance, a question like, what is 2 over 3 of 6? This is also a fraction. 2 over 3 is a fraction and 6 is a fraction. So now this thing can also be set up as 2 over 3 times what? 6 over what? 1. So these are two fractions. We are multiplying the two fractions. So basically everything revolves around fraction. So if you simplify this thing, 2 times 6 is what? 12. 3 times 1 is what? 3. So the answer is what? 4. So what's the purpose of this video? The purpose of this video is that most students struggle the wrong way when it comes to mathematics. Once you realize that everything borders on fractions, the thing becomes easy because majority of the topics I just treated now has to involve fraction. Thank you.